Hi guys! So I thought I would have you join me today while I do some mini pumpkin pies with some pie presses. I have never done this before, so this ought to be interesting. But it looks easy enough. So we're going to start by putting in 1 cup of brown sugar and my measuring cup is in the dishwasher, so we will make do. So 1 cup of brown sugar. That looks about right. A can of pure pumpkin. I have the oven heating up right now. First, by the way, for those of you who are new here, my name is Kim. And I'm just sharing what I do on a regular basis now that I am into my retirement life. And one of the things I do more is try new recipes. So that is what we are doing today. Just my oven telling me that it's ready, preheated. I love this oven. It's great for single people. It's on my counter. It's an air fryer, an oven, a toaster. It's like, it does everything. So this is 8 ounces of cream cheese. So, yeah, like I said, it's just the brown sugar, cream cheese, and the can of pumpkin. I'm just breaking up the cream cheese a little bit and getting everything kind of mixed in wet so that when I put it on the blender it doesn't go flying everywhere. How you doing? Okay, here we go. Oh boy, my cat just took flight. He's never heard this thing going, because usually I use my hand immerser. that. We're going to keep this stuff out in case I need to do another batch. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'll read. And let me tell you, this is going to be fun because, like I said, I never made, not only have I never made mini pies before, but I've never made mini pies using a pie press. So, let's see how this goes. Okay. So, can you see? Let me see if I can pull it up a little bit more. There we go. Well, let's see. So it goes like this, I believe. We just cut out the, like that. Okay, but I think they were supposed to cut. Maybe I gotta wiggle. Wiggle. Yeah. Let's see. So, yeah, that did it. Okay, but, huh. This and do the little wiggle. Otherwise it's not like cutting it. Like I said, sometimes the best part is trying something new, getting creative. Okay, so oh, dumb girl, hold on. Yes, I did do it on the other side. Yes, I did. Okay, let's try it like that. And you know what? I wish I had a rolling pin. But when I moved here, I did not bring my rolling pin. And I left it back in Connecticut. So that is on my new list of things to do. But in the meantime, we will survive. Here we go. Okay, so I'm thinking that I would like this dough to be thicker. Okay, so it goes in like that. Oh, these are, yeah, this one's closed up. Okay, and now we just put in the filler. That was a lot. And I guess we just close it up. And I will put the edges. Let's see how this came out. Oh, say a prayer. Say a prayer for me. Oh, looks good if I don't destroy it. Okay, is there a secret to getting these things out or what? Why is there not like a hole on the other side that you could push it through? Okay. Oop. Yeah, there's got to be a better way. Got to be a better way. Okay, well, so I already have this sprayed with baking powder, and here's my first one. Okay, not too bad, right? And I'll just put it in like that. There, you got to see me do my very first pumpkin mini pie. I like it thicker, you know, that's the problem. I think this dough, I'd like to see it thicker. So I am gonna thicken it up a little bit more. I don't like how thin it is here. Let's try it. Okay, so get down, Jax, get down. Okay, so I have to say, not bad, look at that. All right. Yeah. So, you know, I'm doing it. And because I don't have a rolling pin, I'm going to just get actually creative. And I like that I'm going to do it like this because it's thicker than when it first came out and I just pulled it out of the package. I definitely like it thicker. The dough. So let's see. So I found these pumpkin presses at Hobby Lobby. So that's where I got these. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so there's that one. Again, I want them thicker. Is there a, no, there's not. Yeah, you would think there'd be a hole to push it through, to push the dough out. Anyway. Oh, you know what? There was two of them, but they're the exact same thing. So, okay. Oh man, I'm like fine wine, just getting better and better. Woohoo! Look at that one, huh? Nice. Love it. Okay, so I have it in a dish like this, and I'm just gonna come over here. Let me see. Yeah, I think, and you can see, I have this here. I'm just gonna pop it in, hit the bake, and I'm gonna have it at 325, and I'm gonna do 15 minutes. And we'll see what happens. Bake. So while that is going, I think we'll just keep making more. And if you want to hang out with me, you can see if I burnt them or not. And I'll make another batch up while that's going. Yeah, my cat right now is pulling me down. He wants attention. Yeah, you want attention, huh? Where's your toys? Come on over here. Yeah, now it's going crazy. Okay. So we got that. We got that. Flip it over. Fill it up. Okay. Yeah, these are coming out really nice now. Okay, let's spray this pan before I forget. It doesn't say to spray it, but I would think you would have to. This is what baking. It's the baking one. And you know what? This one here, it doesn't, oh yeah, there it is, okay. You gotta make sure you have the vents open. Okay. Oh my God. I just tried that. Oh my God, so good. Come on, Jax. The problem with him is he's still a kitten. Yeah, so he's still full of energy. Note to self, order rolling pin. I probably do have one somewhere. No, I don't know. we're making do without it. Twist, twist, twist. I wonder if I should have brushed some butter on the top. The recipe didn't say to do that, but probably wouldn't have hurt, right? Are you guys laughing at me? Are you laughing at me now? I'm getting there, right? Hey? Oh yeah, look at that. That's nice. And I like it better actually when I do my own by hand. It's nice, nicer. Nice and thick. Thicker, thicker. Okay. Oh! I just went a little crazy on that one. Yeah, gentle. Okay, I have to say, I think that I would get this press, maybe try buying one somewhere else, because this one here seems a little cheapo or something. Or maybe that's why you have to do such thin ones. But anyway, okay. Okie dokie, let me just make sure that those vents are deep enough. Okay, it looks good. Well, say what you want, I can definitely make a mess. There we go. Always got time to get that coffee in. Okie dokie, here we go. Let's make one more. So I guess I was too thick maybe on that last one, so we'll go out a little thinner. You can press that back together later, which is why they give you two. Looks good. Okay. So, let's see here. That's the top. that filling is so good. You know, anything with cream cheese in it is going to be good. Okay. Boy, when you press it together, yes, it does get thick, doesn't it? Okay. Now, you would think I would edit that little messy part out, but you know, no. I am going to keep it real, my friends, because this is real life. Okay, come on. Get out of there. Oh, okay. Let's, again, open up those vents. Okay. These are going to be so good. Okay. So my other ones that are in there, we got a few more minutes on the timer. Let's see. And I know, let me do a little cleanup because we got a few minutes left. Anyway, this was the pie crust that I got from Home Goods, $2.99. Of course, it was probably 50% off because most of their Thanksgiving, fall Thanksgiving stuff was 50% off. And I will be doing this for quite a while, I think, because I have a lot of that filling left. Sorry, I keep walking out of view here, but okay. Just washing my hands here for a minute. Okay. So let's go take a look in that oven, huh? Fingers crossed. I should have. Let's see. Oh, they're not done. Oh my goodness. But look how beautiful. Yeah, right? Huh? Not bad. All right, I'm gonna go and put them in white. For 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes. And I will probably check them in 5. while I'm waiting, I think that I will make some more. Love that, it snapped right back together. So, so definitely this cream cheese, I'm not gonna make another batch, that's for sure. And these make a lot of dough, so thank God I went to, when I got everything, I went to Costco. So I bought everything in bulk. So I have lots of extra dough to keep making these. 'Cause look at me getting all professional, trying to do two at once like I know what I'm doing. Hey, whatever works, right? Oh, we didn't do the wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. Now I know that I have seen where they have little machines that make these. So I think this is kind of doing it the older way. They have these easy ways where it cuts and makes it right inside the same pan. Kind of like a little waffle maker. But you know, this is working. I actually got the idea for these off a friend of mine. Shared it on her Facebook feed, and I said, oh my God, those look good. I gotta make those for something different, you know. Now I just made a few days ago with this, which is why I had the crust on hand already. I just made a apple pie, a square apple pie actually. Yeah, I'm special. But Lord, it was good. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Trimming the business here. You know what? I'm just thinking this would be great to do with the kids. You know? This is a great little like if I had my grandkids, you know, it's something where it's not sharp, so you wouldn't have to worry about them getting hurt. Okay, let's get those vents going. And I know you're supposed to use a sharp knife, but you know, I didn't want to turn the dishwasher on while I was doing this video. So that, my friends, is where all the sharp knives are. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna put more together on this one. Oh, how am I gonna fit this? Yep. Could have did a big one in the oven, but like I said, I pretty much just do everything on that counter. One, I'm just so used to it. Okay, guys. Oh. Oh, it's looking good. It's looking good. All right, we're getting there. Look at this guy. I gotta show you that. I gotta show you this. Where is he at? There. Say hi, Jax. Hello out there. Yeah. He's like, don't look at me. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. Oh, my little introvert. Little introvert cat. Okay, you guys. So I'm not going to bore you by keeping this thing going on forever. I'm going to show you just how far I've come with where these are now. And yeah. Okay. Because, you know, I think it's good. I think it came out really good. I'm trying to get... Can you see the shape of the pumpkin? Oh. Okay. So these are done. And now